Guys, please make sure you stand till the end. One common mistake that people often make can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs, parts, diagnostics that you may actually not even need. Stay with us, we'll explain what we're talking about. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Chevy Tahoe, Chevy Suburban, that generation here from year 2014 to year 2020. If you need to find where your ignition switch fuses relays are located, where the run crank, also known as run crank ignition switch fuses relays are located, where you can find them, where you can buy cheap parts, tools, fuses relays at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time. All that will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Please make sure you stay until the end. So before we start, guys, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them, guys, completely apart. We show you how to fix engines, transmissions, bodywork, guys, engine codes, transmission codes, fuses, relays as well, guys. Why we do all that? Because our mission in the shop is to save as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. Guys, we have more than 15,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. And if you guys need to buy any parts, tools at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time, we'll put the link in the description of the video below for your convenience. Please check it out. Guys, the ignition switch, fuses and relays, where you can expect to find them, we will demonstrate on this generation Chevy Tahoe, Chevy Suburban here. It should work for both vehicles. The only difference is the Suburban is a little bit longer. We have many hidden fuse boxes that most people do not know they exist. We recommend to check out the video on our YouTube channel about fuse box location on Chevy Tahoe, Chevy Suburban. First, you need to open the driver door. Then you need to come to the side of the dash, remove that cover here. Behind that cover, you're going to find a fuse box. Before we guys continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. It is, guys, very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the J-case fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume, guys, that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse. Sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen, guys, at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist, when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well, guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. Here we need to check 4 components, and we need to go to a different fuse box and check one more. Where they're located, let's zoom in. Now, guys, okay, perfect, just like that, so we can see all the fuses. And here, specifically, the first one that we need to check is fuse number 16. We're talking about that fuse right here. Fuse number 16. Then you need to check fuse number 25. This is that double fuse here, very hard to find. Replacement, we'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get them at a good price, quick shipping. Next, you need to find fuse 36. We're talking about this 10M fuse here, right there. And after that, guys, okay, if you flip that fuse box on the back side, you have relays. Check this thing out. You have a few relays, guys, here, and the relay that we will need to check now, okay, is that relay right here, 53. That's the one that you need to check. Then we need to come open the hood, and under the hood on the driver's side, you have the main engine fuse box. Open that cover, you have that fuse box with a layout like this one here. Specifically, guys, here we need to check one fuse, and that fuse, guys, okay, is known by the way as fuse 84. Now 80 actually will be a relay 84, guys. So if you come right here, we are talking about this relay right here. You will need to check that relay as well. Those are the main components, okay, that you will need to check on your Chevy Tahoe, Chevy Suburban. So guys, I want to show you now something. Okay, check this thing out. You have all different kinds of fuses. fuses, relays, circuit breakers, something that could be really hard to find. And if you're in the middle of nowhere, you don't have a replacement one, you may end up being stuck, guys, in the middle of nowhere, or they can be seriously overpriced. So what we do, we usually buy some spare ones, we put in the glove box for a peace of mind. We'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can get them at a good price, quick shipping. That way you do not waste money and time. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.